If you want to start working from home, hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula, wala kang experience ever, and you are looking for a position na data entry lang. Well, you'd be glad to know na hindi natuloy yung class nung weekend for real estate virtual assistants because I was able to close another collaboration that could probably give us more access kasi kagaya nung question nga dito ni Blue Heart, kasama po bang pag-aaralan yung tools na ginagamit for real estate? As a real estate virtual assistant, hindi lang bastang alam mo kung paano maging Reva, okay na. Please take note na may iba't ibang bansa tayong pwedeng i-service. We service global clients. So pwedeng Reva ka ng Australia, pwedeng Reva ka ng UK, pwedeng Reva ka ng US, Canada, kung saan pa man. However, kapag Reva ka ng US, kahit nang alam mo at kabisado mo na yung process nila sa business nila, marami pa rin iba't ibang rules and laws na kailangang sundin based on their state. And eto na nga, so going back, last week, nakapag-close ako ng client for collaboration and Texas yung kanilang market. As their office business manager, they are open to the idea that there will be interns na papasok sa kanila to practice yung mga tools na ginagamit. And nagsiset up din kami ng mga bagong tools ngayon na gagamitin. Dito sa client ko na to, meron siyang mga agents under his team na pagkukuhunan or nakukuha ng interns. And hindi lang bastang training to, kumbaga magkakaroon ka talaga ng experience what it would be like to work with a real estate agent. This is something that I have been working on for the past couple of months because I want to be able to provide a better experience para sa mga Reva mentees natin. And so with that being said, ang last and final call po para sa class this coming Sunday for real estate virtual assistants ay bukas magko-close na po siya. Magko-close na. Hindi ko na po kayang i-extend, birthday ko na po next week, day. Ang sabi ko magpapahinga ako ngayong September, hindi ako nakakapagpahinga. So again, this is a public service announcement. Last and final call for real estate virtual assistants class, 499 pesos lang po ito. Next month, kung mag-open man siya, which hindi ko maipangako gawa ng may mga schedule tayo next month na medyo. So in case lang, basta yung next opening ng Reva magiging 999 pesos na siya kasi may internship na siya. This is the last class na 499 pesos siya. If you guys wanna join, punta kayo dito sa profile ko tapos i-click nyo yung link sa bio ko. It will open the Gig Hub. Guys, you might wanna check yung Gig Hub because nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para makapagsimula mag-work from home. But under live mentorship classes, hahanapin nyo lang nakasulat dyan 499 Real Estate Virtual Assistant. I-click nyo lang yan and it will open the form for you. Nandyan ang lahat ng detalye na kailangan nyo malaman para maka-join sa class. Make sure na basahin muna maigi yung form para naiintindihan nyo yung process ha. Ulitin ko lang, last and final call para sa lahat ng gustong mag-enroll sa Real Estate Virtual Assistance class for this Sunday. 1 till 9 p.m. yung naka-block nun, pero usually it only takes us about 4 to 5 hours to finish yung class. One day lang yung class na live kasi after nun magsisimula na po yung internship. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!